Congratulations to all the candidates who have qualified for the Odisha Civil Service Mains examination. But the job has just begun. Now you are in such a stage of examination where your marks will directly impact your selection in the final merit list. And there is where we, Ethic IAS, come with a holistic mains crash course in which not only your entire syllabus will be revised, but also you will be getting answer writing guidance. And by guidance, we mean personalized guidance. Some of you might be rich in content and poor in presentation, and some of you might be rich in presentation but poor on content. So we will be providing guidance based on each candidate's strength and weaknesses. Along with that, we will be providing 15 sectional tests and 5 full-length tests. Apart from that, we will be discussing 1000 plus probable questions and answers which are likely to come in your upcoming mains examinations. So why wait? Let us help you achieve your dreams. Thank you.